Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be making vegan Italian sausage. This sausage is going to require two elements, a dry and a wet element. I'm going to make those, bring them together, and turn them into the sausage. So let's get started with the dry ingredients. We have some vital wheat gluten, some nutritional yeast, some fennel seeds, some sweet paprika, smoked paprika, Italian seasoning, onion powder, garlic powder, some red pepper flakes, and some black pepper. Give this a quick mix. Okay, next up we have the wet ingredients. So I'm going to take about 4 ounces or half a cup of tofu. Get about half a cup of beans. You can go with like pinto beans or like a white bean. Gonna go with a tablespoon of soy sauce, and that's just some powder from the dried ingredients earlier. About 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, about a tablespoon of miso, a tablespoon of maple syrup, tablespoon of oil, and then some vegetable stock, about 3/4 cup. I'm going to pour this mix right into a blender. Okay, now I'm going to get all of this wet mix in with the dry mix. Okay, and so now that I have it mixed, I'm just going to get in here and knead this just for a couple minutes, because it's going to activate the gluten. So from here, you're just going to break this dough into whatever size sausage links you want to have. So I'm going to go with about this size here, and then I'm just going to wrap it in some parchment and some aluminum foil and get that foil tight around the sausage. So this is what we're looking for in terms of the sausage. We just want to make sure it's really sealed well, because now I'm going to pressure cook it for about 45 minutes. All right, so let's take a look. So obviously it's very hot, but you can see the sausage. It looks fantastic. And so what I'm gonna do now is I'm going to cool it down. It's gonna help, tighten it up a little bit, and then I will pan fry it and it'll be good to go. But otherwise, your sausage is done. And now I'm just gonna pan fry some of my sausage. Okay, so the vegan Italian sausage is done. I'm gonna try it out. That's delicious. It's soft and chewy on the inside, chewiness on the outside that you would get from sausage. So the texture is perfect. The flavor is great, it's spot on. And you can customize this however you want in order to bring out different flavors and use this for different sausage recipes that you wanna make. All in all, yeah, this is a great recipe. My sausage 2.0, this is even better than the sausage I made before. So make sure that you check this out, make this at home, because I'm your friend with food benefits, and I'll see you again real soon.